Hey.
Oh, hello there. No sabía que estaban ahí. My name is Alexandra Parks, and I'm gonna go to iHOP. So why don't you come and join me? Let's see if it's good or not. I don't know. Let's go.
Hey. No. No. Hey. No. No. Hey. No. No. Hey. Hey. No. Hey. No. No. Hey. No.
Hey my friends, I am so ready to try this cheesecake pancakes. Espero que estén muy ricos porque yo soy muy especialista en my breads, okay? I like my breads moist and spongy, flavorful. Yes, thank you. Asistencia directora. Okay, so let's dig into this beauty, this gorgeous little piece of bread. Up here. Okay. Here we go. I approve. It does kind of taste like a cheesecake. Very good. Okay, so inside there's nothing, but you can taste cheesecake. I don't know why, I don't know how, but it tastes like a cheesecake, and it's really good. Creo que en el menu decía que it had something inside. I mean, I don't know, haven't gotten there, but it's pretty good. If it doesn't have it, I'm okay with this. I'm totally okay with this. Pancakes, del 1 al 10 les doy un... I'm gonna get a what's up? Rice! You wanna try this? Rice! Mira, te voy a dar un pancake. Un pancake! Un pancake. Is it good? Yeah? Really good or just good? Good? Really good! He said it really good, and he doesn't like eating at all. Okay guys, I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Probably 9.5. Let me keep eating and I'll tell you, okay? Yes! Okay, so now we're gonna try the buttermilk pancakes. Plain pancakes, I guess. I don't know. Well, with butter, okay? So, les voy a poner those syrups and thingies and stuff, you know? So here we have maple. We're gonna try all of these. Para ver which one is the better, the best. Okay, we're gonna put maple here. Okay, maple. Come closer. We're gonna put blueberry here. What was this? Pecan?
Butter pecan.
Yeah, butter pecan here. It looks like honey. And last but not least, strawberry. Look at that. Where is it? Oh, there we go. I love strawberry. Okay, so vamos a ver cómo está esto. Let's dig into my pancakes. First, the maple. Oops. Maple. Okay, on to the next one. I'll tell you in a minute what I think about this. Hello, buddy. Yes. Blueberry. Okay. Yeah.
Guárdale uno.
This is not looking pretty. Ooh, pecan. You got something in you, pecan? Directora, por favor, guárdese sus comentarios. Okay, and strawberry. Okay. No hay nadie aquí, so don't worry. No one's looking at me like I'm crazy. Okay, so syrup, well, it was good. Yeah, syrup, syrup. Then we have blueberry. That was really good, but not my favorite one. It wasn't that sweet. That's good. So I liked it. Then we have the pecan that it was really good. I think pecan was my favorite one. Sabe como honey, so I dig it. It wasn't that sweet either. And then we have the strawberry. Strawberry me supo literal como un Pop Tart de strawberry. Really Pop Tart strawberry right here. So de todos estos, my favorite one was pecan. Because to say el sabor nunca lo había probado, so it's different. I liked it. I liked it. Yeah. Let me keep eating, and I'm gonna tell you about the rest.
Look at him.
Okay, you guys, pues ya we're out of iHOP. I was about to say Denny's, but yes, we were in. Ya vieron, no? We were in iHOP, and it was delicious. Honestly, it was delicious. So if you don't know, my favorite breakfast of all times is the All-American breakfast. No me acuerdo cómo tenía el nombre. I think it just said combo, but yes, it was really good. Así que en general le voy a dar un 9.5. I think it was a little bit expensive, but it was really good, so I recommend it to you guys when people's coming. Okay, yeah. So as I was saying, it was really good. I think it was way better than Denny's aquí in Guadalajara. It was way better because I don't know why, but never mind. This is not for comparing. It was just delicious, really good. I'm all happy. I'm hyper. I don't know why. Maybe it was too much sugar. Okay, so I don't know if we're gonna do something else. I'll let you know. If not, okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next video. I don't know when that's gonna be, but yeah, we'll stay in touch. Oh, and also remember to go to my Instagram and follow me, and I'll maybe follow you. I don't know. I'll have to stalk you for a while and see who you are. Okay? Yeah. Okay, sounds good. So peace out.